Welcome to Mastering Meta Robots, a step-by-step guide, brought to you by SEOPress. In this series, we'll dive into the tools SEOPress offers for managing meta robots, helping you customize settings for single posts, taxonomies, and your entire WordPress site with ease. You're watching the SEOPress channel. Let's get started. Managing meta robots in bulk can save you a lot of time, especially for larger sites. In this video, we'll show you how SEOPress allows you to make quick adjustments to multiple posts or pages using bulk actions. If you need to apply meta robots to multiple posts at once, simply select the posts you want. You can choose Enable Noindex. This option tells search engines not to index the selected page or post, meaning it won't appear in search engine results. It's useful for content you don't want to show in public search listings, like private or low-value pages. Enable Index. This allows search engines to index the selected page or post, making it available in search engine results. You'd use this for important content you want to be visible in search. Enable Nofollow. This tells search engines not to follow the links on the page. It prevents passing SEO value to the linked pages, which can be useful for preventing endorsement of untrusted or paid links. Enable Follow. This allows search engines to follow the links on the page, meaning they can crawl and pass SEO value to those linked pages, typically used for trusted, relevant links. These settings give you control over how search engines interact with your content and its links. You'll save tons of time this way. Thanks to SEOPress, you can now easily manage meta robots in bulk, making it faster and more efficient to update your site's SEO settings. Up next, we'll cover how to quickly edit meta robots for individual posts using SEOPress. Let's continue. Thank you for watching, and happy optimizing with SEOPress.